Hey YouTube, and welcome to this video.
Coming to you loud and clear.
So today I have an unboxing for you all, as you can read by the title. So the reason why I'm standing up is because I literally, okay, if I can pick it up, this box that I have here, as y'all can see, is literally the size of me. Let me just give y'all a close-up of how big this box is. Y'all see how tall this is? This box is literally huge. So anyways, I don't want to make this video too long, so let's go ahead and open this box. I got these scissors, but maybe I should have got a knife. That big box, just for it to be in here, in this little box? Are you serious? This little box is inside of this big box. For what reason? When y'all could have just... So here is the box. Now, y'all can see, it's a ring light because I needed better lighting for my videos. And I got it on a good deal. So let's open it, and I'm gonna bring the camera down so y'all can see what's inside the box. Okay, so has these little things, and then this. Let's open this first. Okay, so this is the stand that it goes on. It just says Neewer, so that's that. Then in here, I'm assuming, let's take this. Oh, so it has this little box, which has the instructions on how to put it up, customer service card, the adapter piece, another adapter piece. This is the part that you can hook up to the tripod that holds your phone. And this is the part that hooks up to the camera. Oh, and it also comes with the Bluetooth remote, which I didn't even know. And then it has these covers for the light. So this one I'm assuming is like, you know, the regular white, and then if you want like the orangish yellowy tone, I guess. So those. And the last box inside of this box, okay, if I can get it out, it's stuck. What the heck? Okay, so this is the last box that's in there. And I'm assuming that, of course, this is the actual ring part. Yes, it's this. Dang, this thing is huge. This is what it looks like. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this together really fast. I'm gonna speed it up so y'all can see me putting it together, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so it took me about 10 minutes to get this thing set up, but that's not really too bad. I don't like reading instructions, so I was just going off based off what I thought was right, and I should have known the instructions, but it's together now. Let me show y'all. Looks like this. That is what my camera goes on, and that's how it looks. I don't know how these other how other tripods are, but this is the back where you can adjust the brightness and turn it on and off with this thing right here. Let me just show y'all. Okay, so this is before, and that's with the brightness all the way up, and then with the knob you can dim it, and that's all the way off. So yeah, with this thing right here, with that thing, that knob right there, that's how it's adjusted. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you all on the tripod and y'all see how the lighting changes. So let's do it. I put you all up on the ring light. This is how it is. This is the lighting with the ring light not being on, just like the lights from my room. And let me go ahead and switch it on. Oh, oh, y'all, oh gosh, I can't even look at it, but that's the brightest setting. It's so bright I can't even like look into it, but yeah, that's the brightest. Even though I won't really use it on that setting, I'll probably maybe do something like this. I do hate the fact that you can see the reflection in my glasses, but oh well. But as y'all can see, like, oh my gosh, this is definitely so much better. Like, wow. No light. Light. So I definitely would give this ring light like a 10 out of 10. I think where's my phone? So I ordered it on Amazon for, oh snap, Darius called me. Hold on y'all, Darius called me. But yeah, like I was saying, I got it on Amazon. This is, I actually got it with a coupon code. So I think the original price was like $150, but I only got it for, I got it for like $60. So, oh well, now they just lowered the price, but let me not show y'all my address. Okay, but here on Amazon, this is the thing. I gotta kind of look down so it's not, the glare's not in my glasses, but I will link this this exact ring light down below. So if y'all are looking for a ring light, then y'all can go get this. I'll also I had a coupon code for this ring light, and it was originally like $150, but now on Amazon it's listed for $79. So that's a pretty good deal for this ring light, y'all. Y'all see what this is doing for me? Like, these videos, the lighting in my videos is going to be so much better now, y'all. But I definitely give this ring light a 10 out of 10. Like, for $60, this ring light is definitely a 10 out of 10. Yeah, but the packaging, the only thing I didn't like was like the packaging. Like the box that it came in was so huge. But thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.